If you feel pain when sitting, burning when you have a bowel movement, or see blood on the toilet paper and think it's normal, you are wrong. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to explain exactly what is happening in your body, ... And more importantly, how to fix this once and for all. I've been a doctor for over 15 years. I've treated thousands of hemorrhoid cases. And today I'm going to reveal the 3 causes that nobody tells you about, the symptoms you cannot ignore, ... and the treatment that actually works. No half measures that you find everywhere else. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the catastrophic mistake that 8 out of 10 people make in the bathroom that makes everything worse. And you're probably doing it right now without realizing it. If you want to end this problem today, please hit the like button now. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because this information could change your life. Emotional connection 020 to 115. Look, I know you're suffering in silence. You feel that terrible pain when sitting in your car, at work, even watching TV, at home. That desperate itching that won't leave you alone, the embarrassment of using the bathroom when people are home, the panic every time you see blood, and you know what's worse? You've already bought those expensive creams from the pharmacy. You tried sitz baths. You changed your diet, but the pain comes back, sometimes even stronger than before. And then you start thinking, will I need surgery? Is it something more serious? The good news, in most cases, you do not need surgery, but you need to understand exactly what is causing this. Because without understanding the cause, you will stay in this cycle of suffering forever. And I'm going to explain everything clearly, without complicated medical jargon. But first, please comment below. I want to get rid of this. So I know you're committed to your healing first. You need to understand what hemorrhoids are and know it's not just swollen veins like you read everywhere. Let me explain properly. Hemorrhoids are normal structures that everyone has since birth. They are cushions of vascular tissue, veins, arteries, and connective tissue located in the anal canal. They help control stool and gas. In other words, you need them. The problem happens when these structures become swollen, inflamed, ... and start causing symptoms. And that's when you have diseased hemorrhoids, which is what you're suffering from now. There are 2 main types. Internal hemorrhoids stay inside the rectum, above the dentate line. You usually don't feel pain because this area has few sensory nerves, but they bleed a lot, especially during bowel movements. You see that bright red blood on the paper or in the toilet? External hemorrhoids are below the dentate line, near the opening of the anus, and these do cause that terrible pain you know so well, because this region has many sensory nerves. Any swelling here causes intense pain, ... itching, and terrible discomfort when sitting. But here's what nobody explains to you. Why did your hemorrhoids become inflamed? What was the trigger? I'm going to reveal the 3 real causes that provoke hemorrhoids. And I bet you identify with at least one of them, because number 1, chronic abdominal pressure. This happens when you strain too much during bowel movements. That's the most common mistake when you sit on the toilet for 10, 15, 20 minutes, scrolling on your phone or reading. When you have chronic constipation and need to push hard. When you're pregnant, the uterus presses on the veins in the rectum. Or when you lift weights incorrectly at the gym, this continuous pressure strangles the veins, making them swell, protrude, and cause all those horrible symptoms. Cause number 2, sedentary lifestyle. If you sit for hours at work, in traffic, at home, you are creating the perfect environment to develop hemorrhoids. The sitting position compresses the blood vessels in the anal region, making it difficult for blood to return. Over time, these veins dilate and become inflamed. Cause number 3, diet low in fiber and dehydration. When you don't eat enough fiber and drink little water, your stool becomes hard and dry. Result, you need to push harder to have a bowel movement. You go back to cause number 1, and the vicious cycle continues. Also, hard stools damage the already inflamed hemorrhoids even more. Now that you know the causes, you need to identify the symptoms correctly, because there are symptoms you must never ignore. If you're enjoying this content, please leave a like and share it with someone who needs to hear this. The main symptoms of hemorrhoids are the following. Common symptoms. Don't worry too much about these bright red bleeding during or after bowel movements. You see it on the paper or dripping in the toilet. Pain or discomfort when sitting or having a bowel. Movement, intense itching in the anal region, especially at night. A feeling of heaviness or something coming out of the anus. Swelling or a lump that you can feel around. The anus mucus discharge that leaves the area moist. These symptoms are typical, and although uncomfortable, they are not a medical emergency in most cases. But attention? These symptoms require that you see a doctor immediately. Heavy bleeding that doesn't stop, or dark or black blood. This could be something more serious in the intestine. Severe and sudden pain that doesn't improve with anything. This could be hemorrhoid thrombosis. When a blood clot forms, fever, chills, or discharge with pus, this indicates infection. Change in bowel habits. Diarrhea or constipation lasting weeks. Unexplained weight loss along with anal symptoms. Anemia, extreme tiredness, paleness, shortness of breath. These symptoms may indicate serious conditions like colorectal cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, or severe infections. Do not ignore them. Now comes the part you've been waiting for. How to truly treat this treatment at home for mild to moderate cases. Step 1. Eliminate the pressure. Never strain during bowel movements. If it doesn't come out in 3 to 5 minutes, get up and try later. Use a small stool under your feet. Raise them about 8 inches. This changes the angle of the rectum and makes everything much easier. Avoid sitting on the toilet for more than 5 minutes. Step 2. Soften your stool. Consume 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day. Oatmeal, papaya, flaxseed, vegetables. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Consider psyllium supplements, but consult your doctor first. Step 3. Proper hygiene. Use unscented wet wipes. Never rub. Wash with warm water after bowel movements. Dry with gentle pats. Don't rub. Step 4. Immediate relief. Sitz bath with warm water for 15 minutes. 3 times a day. Ice compresses wrapped in cloth. For 10 minutes, creams with lidocaine or hydrocortisone for short-term use. Maximum 7 days. Let me recap. Hemorrhoids are normal structures that become inflamed due to excessive pressure, sedentary life, and inadequate diet. You do not need to live with pain. Treatment works when you attack the cause, not just the symptom and the catastrophic mistake I promised. Using dry toilet paper and rubbing hard, this damages the hemorrhoids even more, causes and perpetuates inflammation. Change today to wet wipes or water. You have the power to reverse this now. Start today by applying what you learned here. If this video helped you, please share it with someone who needs it. Save it to your favorites. Comment, "I learned" below, and don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video I'm going to reveal when you really need surgery for hemorrhoids. There are cases where there's no other way. Until then, take care.